Hey, good afternoon, Jeremy. This is Ashley. So, I want to go over a couple of things here. I want to talk about some services that we offer and talk about what you could be looking for and so on. So, to start, I went and Googled metal roofing Lynchburg, VA, and this area here is what's called the map pack. And the top three listed here are the ones that receive a lot of work because they're super easy to find and they're listed right away. And the way you can get yourself into these top three is by first having a Google business profile. The second is filling it out as much as possible with the name, the hours, phone number, photos, just making sure everything's filled out. And the third is putting your business name, address, and phone number into as many online directories as possible. And directories are things like Yelp and Yellow Pages and Angie. And having your information in those online directories are really going to help power your profile. And the websites listed below here, these are what's called the organic search, okay? And the same things apply. You want to be on the front page and ideally within the top three so that people can find you. And that's not including the Angie or the Yelp. That's literally clicking on it, going straight to the website. So the main thing that you want to do with your website is you want to have about 1,500 to 2,000 words on the home page primarily. And this is for a few reasons. And the first being that if your competitor will say has about 1,000 words, okay, then you're going to want to have at least 1,500 words because you want to beat out how much content your competitor has. And the second reason is that Google has what we call crawlers that go through and they read the content of your website and try and figure out what services your business offers, what areas you serve. And the more content that you have on the site, the more of an expert you're going to look like in Google's eyes. And then within the content, you want to have keywords. And keywords are things that people are searching for. So, for example, how I typed in metal roofing Lynchburg, VA, if you have metal roofing Lynchburg, VA all over your website, it's going to become really relevant for that search. And Google's going to be more willing to put your website higher to the top. So when you look at your website, it's really important to make sure you have enough content on here, the keywords throughout, and that's really going to help your website rank. And if we take a look at one of the competitors in the area, I have a paid program that I use and I put them in there just to kind of see what you're up against. And so another thing I also wanted to go over real quick was the UR and the DR ratings. And so I pulled up All Phase Roofing and Construction, which is in the area. And I wanted to go over UR and DR ratings because these are super important where you fall in the Google search results. And a UR rating is essentially a trust rating with Google, and a DR rating is a power rating with Google. And so these numbers are looking at the overall site, how powerful it is, how trustworthy it is. And the higher up that they are, the more powerful your site is, and the better you're going to rank in the search results. And so one of the ways you can increase these numbers is through a thing called a backlink, okay? And all a backlink is just a shout out from another website that's endorsing you, and they're sending a link back to your site through a clickable text. And so what we can do is we can click on these. We can go click on the ones that they have, go through those and get those for your website and then get additional ones as well. And so lastly, most importantly, I want to talk about the organic keywords in the content I was talking about before. So for example, I'll click on their keywords they have throughout their website just to kind of give you an idea. And so we're focused on the volume, which is the number of people that click on certain keyword, that type in certain keywords a month, okay? So we'll just start off with Central Virginia roofing. 70 people look for that in a month. Central Virginia roofer, 40 people looking for that. Roofing companies, Lynchburg, VA, 100 people are looking for that. Roofing Lynchburg, 50 people looking for that a month. So it's really important just to get in front of these people. And if you're able to get in front of more people that are searching for these terms, the more people are going to find you and the more people that are going to call you, and in turn, more business you're going to land. So I hope this information was helpful for you, and I look forward to hearing from you and discussing any opportunities. So I want you to take care and have a great day.